Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So I know you can hear the annoying AC unit in the background again, but again, it's just too hot to shut it off. So today we're going to look at just a portion of JudeNailsIt's new collection that's coming out tomorrow, June 10th on Friday. I have part of the collection and my friend Melissa has the ocean part. I have part of the desert one. So if you want to see the ocean one, I'm going to link Melissa's Instagram in the description box. Go check it out, and of course you can be following the JudeNailsIt Facebook group because both of us will also be posting in there, as well as JudeNailsIt, or well, Judy herself will be posting in there. So I have 4 colors from the desert portion of the collection, and she also threw in another one of her nail sugars. So we will go ahead and try this on one of these colors so I can also show you how to use her nail sugars. So if you can't tell by the names, the desert half of this collection is going to be a lot more like nudes and sandy colors, and the ocean version is going to have a lot more of the blue, emerald type colors. So we're going to take a look at these in the jar. I kind of have them lined up from lightest to darkest before we get into actually swatching. So here we have a desert sand, which again is one of the lighter ones. This is a solid. Then we have That's a lot of terracotta. This is also a solid. Beautiful nude. And then we have Mocha Loca, which is a great name for this tone of color. And then we do have the one glitter here, which is, don't make fun of me because I don't know how to pronounce it, Sonoran Sunset? Don't make fun of me, y'all. But this is a gorgeous coppery glitter with a lot of, it's like coppery and bronzy. This is going to be beautiful for fall also. So let's get right into swatching them. And I think when we go to test out, when we go to show you how to sugar, I'll probably do it over That's a Lot of Terracotta because it's a good medium, not too light, not too dark. So yeah, let's get started on the swatches. Her powders are so smooth, and this glitter is going to be stunning. So I don't know if you can really see, but I am using triple vitamins liquids to swatch because I'm kind of selfish. I want to save my JudeNailsIt base for my nails. But I am going to top coat these with the JudeNailsIt dip top coat, so that way you guys can see the shine of her dip liquids. So there's the first layer of all of these. We're going to breeze past the second and third layer. And then what I'll do when I have them filed and buff is first I will take That's a Lot of Terracotta, and I'll show you how to use the nail sugar on that, and then I'll just file the nail sugar off after I show you and regular top coat it. So this glitter is such full coverage. I may not need a third layer, but at the same time, it's really smooth. So it's not creating a lot of bulk, so I don't know. We'll see when I brush this off if I'll need a third layer or not. Okay, let's get started on the third layer now. So I haven't brushed these off yet, but I do want you to know that I am going to clear cap these with the Mia Secret Clear Acrylic, because I usually just use these on swatches now or to build my nails. I save the JudeNailsIt Clear for my actual nails because it is super clear, but I am going to clear cap this glitter with the JudeNailsIt because I just really want this glitter to show through. But the solid ones I am going to use Mia Secret, and then I'm going to activate with JudeNailsIt's activator. And then I'll come back after I file and buff, and we'll focus on That's a Lot of Terracotta and showing you how to do sugar nails with her nail sugars. And then once I show you how to do that, I will file it off, and we'll just take a look at them with the normal dip top coat by JudeNailsIt. Okay, so now that we're done filing and buffing all of the swatches, let's focus on how to do a sugar nail. So you will need a gel top coat. I'm just going to use this one. I prefer using the Coupa Gelfinity, but I'm just going to use this one because it's a swatch and I'm going to file it right off anyway. That's the best way I know how to do it. So we're just going to get, and again, that's a lot of terracotta because I thought this was a good medium between the colors that I have here. So we're just going to have this setting out ready, and we're going to go ahead and open our nail sugar and have that ready. We're going to open our gel bottle. And whenever you sugar nails, whenever you add something on top of the top coat like this, you do need to cure your top coat about twice as long as what you normally would. So for my lamp, when I just do regular top coat, I can get away with curing for 60 seconds. And then if I'm doing sugar nails, I can get away with curing for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So you have the top coat on. Don't cure it yet. You're going to dump, and I mean dump, this nail sugar onto this uncured top coat. Move your nail so that way it gets all the sides and covers it. Again, don't touch it because this top coat is wet. Then we're just going to shake off the excess here. And you can kind of look at it, and if you feel like the sides are a bit bulky, you can kind of move this around a little bit to sharpen that up. So now I'm going to put this in the lamp for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, this is now fully cured. I can touch it. If you want to, you can take a brush to kind of make sure you've got all the excess off, but usually it soaks it up pretty well. And that's all a sugar nail is. It's just meant to look like the nail is sugared. So honestly, this color, even though it's more summery / fall, you could get away with using this for Christmas because that almost really looks like a sugar cookie, right? Or maybe even if you did it to desert sands, that might really look like a sugar cookie. So now I'm just going to file this off, and we're going to top coat with the JudeNailsIt Dip Top Coat. Here is Desert Sands. Here's That's a Lot of Terracotta. Mocha Loca. And I think it's pronounced No Rinse Sunset. Hopefully you can see, especially with this glitter, how clear her clear is, because this is the one I use, the JudeNailsIt Clear to Clear Cap, and how shiny her dip top coat is. I mean, that is just as shiny as gel. All three of these solids are going to look great either matte or shiny. And I feel like these colors are going to work well in either summer or fall, and like I said, even some for winter. There you guys go. Thank you again so much for watching, and I want to give a big shout out to Judy from JudeNailsIt for sending me these colors, and so that way I can show you guys. I'm so excited about them. Again, they come out tomorrow, Friday, July 10th. Did I say June earlier in the video? No, I don't remember. But yeah, so again, this is only a portion of the collection that's coming out. Don't forget to check out my description box, because I'm going to have a link to my good friend Melissa Flamini's Instagram, because she's going to have the ocean part of this collection, and her swatches and her pictures are amazing. So you'll be able to see the true colors really well if you check out her Instagram. I'm going to have the link to JudeNailsIt's Facebook group, as well as her new website. So with the new website, really quick, she does still have the Etsy shop up, and there's some things that you can only get on the Etsy shop for now, and there's some things that you can only get on the website. She is slowly transitioning everything from her Etsy shop to the website. So Right now, the liquids, for example, in the starter kit set and her tools and all these new collections like this one is only going to be on her website. I do have a 10% off code for first-time buyers on the website. It's a normal referral code that everybody gets when they sign up. So if you haven't ordered from the new website yet and you want a good 10% off, then make sure you look at the description box below. I'll also have, again, her JudeNailsIt's Facebook group listed, her and her Instagram listed down in the description box. So again, thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.